Buddhist hell realms, called Naraka in Sanskrit. Buddhist texts first describe hell in detail in the Devadatta Sutra, which is part of the Pali Canon, or the first collection of Buddhist teachings. In this text, the Buddha tells the story of an evil man who gets dragged to hell at the end of his life. While there, the man is interrogated by Yama, the king of hell, on whether he turned his mind to Buddhist practice while alive. The man, of course, did not, and is subsequently condemned to torture in hell for his poor conduct while alive. This is all for his benefit. See, while in religions like Christianity, many adherents view hell as a place of eternal torment, in Buddhist traditions, hell is more of a temporary state, one of the 6 realms into which someone can be reborn based on their karma. Someone may suffer in hell for hundreds of thousands of years, but eventually, once their bad karma has been burned off, they'll be reborn in a different realm. What this means is that hell has an important function in Buddhism as a place to be punished so that a practitioner can have a better rebirth free of that bad karma. It's tempting to look at these stories and think, maybe these are not meant to be taken literally. Maybe these are meant as metaphors for the suffering we cause ourselves. But we've also seen lots of examples that for many Buddhists today, these are understood as very real places of very real torment.